Hey guys, welcome to my podcast.
Assalaamu'alaikuum. Hi people, welcome back to the podcast. Okay, now we are going to take some little tutorial about Python. So here in the desktop, I will show you the terminal in my Ubuntu. So this is a Ubuntu display like this. And now we're going to open the Python and we just type the Python. If you want to open your Python 2 or Python 3 version, you just type the number of version. For example, like Python 3.7. This is my latest version of my Python in Ubuntu. So I will open the Python 3.7 here, and then enter. Sorry, why? There's no 3.7. Python 3.6. No, Python 3. Oh, no space. 3.7. Okay, so we don't need any space to open the Python like this. So just type Python and the version without space. Now we're going to show some a little module of Python in Python. So if you want to import the package, we just type import. Then, for example, we want to import a package of numpy, and then enter and wait. Now, if we see this kind of sign, it means that we are successfully import the package of numpy here. And actually, if we want to make it easier to type, we could simplify the name. We just import again the package, numpy, and we could make it a simple word for calling the package later. And we use a syntax of as. So import numpy as np, for example. Okay, that's success. Another kind of package is scipy, and the matplotlib. This is the most useful package for every student, I think, especially for plotting the data. So we could insert the package of matplotlib as p. Sorry. I will import the specific one. .pyplot. I usually use this kind of package for plotting my data, so we could simplify it as plt. Yeah. And if you are using the Ubuntu also, we could set the direction of our Python to our library here. So if you want to open some files from here by this script of Python, we could just typing or we could use a package of OS. So we should to import the OS package. Import OS, and the module or package for setting the directory in Python is called os.ch there. So I will use it as my first step to go to the file that I want to extract. Now we could, for example, we will take some file from my folders, his document, dan kuliah, and sorry, my little brother. Research and thesis. Yes, thesis. No, my thesis. Okay, just. Lumps cargo. No. Reset. Oh, as just missed too. Topascom. Okay. Topascom is topik astronomi komputasi. There is no data here. Is there any data? Why? Oh, maybe this one. Let's open. There is some data of file, and I name it as keep_double_r.txt. Now we're going to extract this. But wait, I have uploaded before. Okay. So because there is only one column, so I will make another column, another artificial column by using a random or just typing some column there in Python. So the directory is on home, documents, kuliah, S2 semester 2, Topascom, and step 50. So we could type it as os.cid/home/documents kuliah/S2 underscore semester 2 semester underscore 2/50. I forget the syntax here. If you want to use this, we should use this syntax and this. Yeah. Oh, error. No. Wait, I forget. Maybe like this. No? Why? Okay, let's open another file. os. I don't use OS here. I use OS here. No, I don't use OS here. Where is my OS? Where is? Okay, let's open some fiscal. Yeah. Okay, let's open my thesis. I'm recording. I'm recording.
Oh!
No. Don't yelling.
Mami.
Oh, sorry.
Mami korek.
Okay, yeah. Home Ubuntu. I understand. Home Ubuntu. Because when we want to open this, we should know the first territory. Yeah. So there is Ubuntu here, my username in Ubuntu. So we use home slash Ubuntu slash no directory documents kuliah. Oh yeah, sure. Why? OS. Oh, slash. Sorry. We need a slash. Not slash, but slash in the opposite side. Still, maybe there's some mistakes. Oh, kuliah. Oh, it's success. And S2 underscore semester 2. Ah, great. 50. Huh? No. Topashkan, we forget the previous. What? Sorry? For people. Yeah, it's not yelling time. No, it's not yelling because I'm recording. No. Okay, so after setting the directory like this, the next step is we should to open the file of keep underscore rr and .txt here. So first we have to make some variables. I usually use a name of buka because I want to open that file. So the syntax is we should to make a buka equals to I forget. Open keep underscore r .txt. The syntax for string. Don't forget for this is the syntax for string. So we use this. Yeah, it's succeed. And then the next step is read the data. And I usually use the variable of data like this equals to read lines because we want to read every but actually reading the lines, all the lines in the file. Read lines. We have to link the variable to the read lines syntax, and we should link buka variable dot read lines like this, and then use that signal. Yeah, it's done. And if we want to open, we just type data like this. Okay, this is the entire data of the file keep underscore double add.txt. So happy trying. Bye.